Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can delete a Wix website. Alright, so to do this, log into your Wix admin panel. To come to My Sites, just go up to the top left corner, click on My Sites in the menu, and this should take you to My Sites. Now locate the website you want to delete on Wix. So I want to delete this one. Just go to the top right corner in this window. Click on this arrow under Site Actions. Go down, all the way down to this one, Move to Trash. Click on that. Okay, so now you will get this pop-up. Move site to trash. So are you sure you want to move this website to trash? Once moved to trash, your site becomes unpublished and can't be edited. Alright? So this move will not delete your website completely. We will do that in the trash. So this just stores your website in the trash and you can restore it at any time. Alright? But the first step is to move it to trash. So I'm gonna click on this one, Move to Trash. Like that. Now we can see that the website is gone. Now to permanently delete this Wix website, we're gonna go to this one, Trash. Click on that. So now you can see all my websites in the trash bin. So to permanently delete this website on Wix, we're gonna hover over the website, go to Site Actions in the top right corner, click on this arrow. Now choose Remove Site. Click on that. And same thing, we got this pop-up, Remove Site. Are you sure you want to remove this website? Once removed, you lose all versions, site history, and won't be able to restore or edit it again. Alright? So if you click on Remove, this will permanently delete your website on Wix. If that is what you want, just click on Remove. And now this website is deleted on Wix. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete your website on Wix permanently. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.